Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. In today's episode of Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Puma x Bape disc blaze. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about this shoe before I get into it, like I always do. This is the Puma x Bape disc blaze in the green camo colourway, retailed for 139 Great British pounds and released back in December 2015 with some other colourways as well. I've got the grey ones, which I'll cover at a later point, but I thought I'd start with the classic Bape green colourway. The size on this one is a UK 10.5. It comes in this absolutely massive box. I don't know why Bape always does this. Their boxes are huge, and the shoe isn't that big. It doesn't need to have that much space. But you can see the label on there, which is coming up as camo green. And without further ado, let's get into this. So, in typical Bape style, they come with a drawer box. Again, this one unfortunately is a little damaged. Moving house was a pain, as I've explained previously. I'll get the shoes out there as well. These do have tissue paper in it, which isn't like myself. I normally take it out, but there we go. Obviously that would snuck through. But here's the shoes itself. So, very, very bright and cool shoe. And if anybody's familiar with Puma displays, you know how comfortable these things are. Puma absolutely smashed it with the comfort on these. So, going around the shoe a bit. So you have, starting off with this black sort of rough suede on the toe box. Really nice and sort of rugged. You could tell it could take a bit of scuffing and it will be okay. It was a good design choice by Puma and Bape to do that. You've got this sort of semi-translucent cage here for the disc cage, which is hiding the three sort of striped bits of the Puma white there. Goes up to the black top half of the cage, where you've got your adjuster for the discs here. You turn it right for it to tighten and left to loosen. Still has that nice click to it as well. Yeah, it's working well still. Behind that, you've got the Bape logo. Sorry, it's very stiff around behind it, but you can probably just about make it out there. You've got the classic Bape print on the top of the shoe going onto the back with the cage, where you've got on this side it's Puma, sorry, on this side it's Bape, and on the other side it's Puma, as you can see here. That's pretty much the only difference in the two shoes themselves, is the one side, the left hand side of your shoe has got Puma and the right shoe's got Bape. The inside of the shoe as well, you can see on there it's got Puma and Bape with the sort of camo print printing through again. And then on the outsole of the shoe, you've got this sort of nice bright Puma branding with the red there, with the trinomic branding on that as well, along with the black and white. And then you've also got the trinomic branding on the midsole with the black baseline with the white speckles over the top. It then changes to just a blank on this side. You haven't got the trinomic print on this side again, and then that's the same on this shoe here as well. Very cool shoe, very happy to have it. And let's jump to some on foot so you can see what they're like on foot. I'll see you there. Okay, so that just about wraps up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps you massively grow the channel. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video.